Hello everyone. Are you curious about how animals do not freeze in Antarctica? Let's explore. Antarctica, the coldest and driest continent on Earth, is home to a wide variety of animals that have adapted to survive in its extreme environment. From penguins and seals to birds and insects, Antarctic animals have evolved a range of physiological, behavioral, and anatomical adaptations to cope with the cold temperatures and harsh conditions of their habitat. These adaptations enable them to maintain their body temperature, conserve energy, and thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on the planet. One of the most remarkable adaptations of Antarctic animals is their ability to withstand freezing temperatures without freezing solid. Unlike mammals, which maintain a relatively constant internal body temperature, many Antarctic animals are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature fluctuates with the temperature of their surroundings. This allows them to conserve energy by relying on external sources of heat, such as sunlight or geothermal heat from the Earth's crust, to regulate their body temperature and metabolism. In addition to their ectothermic physiology, Antarctic animals have evolved a range of anatomical and behavioral adaptations to prevent freezing and maintain their body temperature in cold environments. For example, many Antarctic birds and mammals have thick layers of insulating feathers or blubber that help retain heat and prevent heat loss from their bodies. These insulating layers act as a barrier against the cold and provide essential protection against the freezing temperatures of Antarctica. Furthermore, Antarctic animals have developed specialized adaptations to minimize heat loss and maximize heat retention in their extremities, such as their feet, flippers, and tails. For example, penguins and seals have counter-current heat exchange systems in their extremities that help conserve heat by recirculating warm blood from their core to their limbs and returning cooler blood to their body. This allows them to maintain their body temperature while swimming or standing on ice without losing excessive heat to the surrounding environment. Moreover, many Antarctic animals exhibit behavioral adaptations to cope with the cold temperatures and limited food resources of their environment. For example, some species of penguins and seals huddle together in large groups to conserve heat and protect themselves from the wind and cold. By huddling together, these animals reduce their surface area exposed to the cold air and create a microclimate of warmth within the group, enabling them to survive in the harsh conditions of Antarctica. Additionally, Antarctic animals have developed metabolic adaptations to cope with the challenges of living in a cold environment with limited food availability. Many species have evolved efficient metabolisms that enable them to conserve energy and survive on low-calorie diets for extended periods. Some animals, such as seals and whales, are able to store large amounts of fat reserves that serve as an energy source during periods of fasting or food scarcity, allowing them to survive long periods without eating. Furthermore, Antarctic animals have adapted to the seasonal changes in daylight and temperature that occur in Antarctica, particularly during the austral winter when temperatures plummet and daylight hours are limited. Many species migrate to warmer regions or move offshore to access food resources during the winter months, while others enter a state of torpor or dormancy to conserve energy and survive until conditions improve. These seasonal adaptations enable Antarctic animals to endure the extreme conditions of Antarctica and thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. In conclusion, Antarctic animals have evolved a range of physiological, anatomical, and behavioral adaptations to cope with the cold temperatures and harsh conditions of their habitat. From their ectothermic physiology and insulating layers of feathers or blubber to their specialized heat exchange systems and behavioral strategies for conserving energy and heat, Antarctic animals have developed remarkable survival mechanisms that enable them to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. By understanding these adaptations, scientists can gain valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of life in Antarctica and the challenges posed by climate change and habitat loss in this unique ecosystem. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.